how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll tell you exactly how to switch from a professional account back to a personal account on Instagram. So go ahead and open up your Instagram application. Tap on your profile picture on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, click on the three bars on the top right. From here, go into settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down to find the account option. In the account tab, go down to the very bottom and click on switch account type. And from here you can choose either to go for a business account or a personal account. For this video, I'll be tapping on the switch to personal accounts, and boom, you have successfully converted back to a personal account from a professional account on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.